Hi everyone, I've got a different kind of video for you today. What I did this morning when I did my makeup was I took a photo of each step of my makeup application so that you can track along and see how each one builds into the final product. So, starting with the scary bare face, and then we'll move into my color correcting tinted moisturizer in light, and then we're adding, here is with foundation. Gosh, I look solemn. I was trying to get the same position each time. That's with tinted moisturizer on around the deep as contour, and then that's with blush, and then here I've added in the Vanilla MakeSense under my eyes to brighten, and now I've got brows on. I've got smoked topaz in my brows. And what's next? What did I do next? I've got eyeshadow on there. It's gold eyeshadow, so you can't see much of it, but I've got eyeshadow. There you go, there's a better shot. And it does look super bright, but I wear glasses, remember. So now I've got UnderSense and mascara, and you're starting to see how the picture builds. Oh, I look so serious and sad. That was a lippy, and now you've got the final product. So I hope that this shows you why I do each step. It's very hard to take the photos, so I'm sorry about that.